Get ready for an insightful exploration into an investment opportunity that has consistently delivered steady earnings. Join me as we uncover the potential of Northwest Natural Holding, a company that warrants your attention. Northwest Natural Holding, a gas utilities company, has a long-standing history dating back to 1859 and is headquartered in Portland, Oregon. The company offers a diverse array of products and services, with its primary focus centered on the energy sector. Northwest Natural serves a wide range of customers, including those in residential, commercial, and industrial sectors across Western Oregon and Southwest Washington. Additionally, the company is involved in the ownership of water utility services. The company boasts a substantial customer base of almost 700,000 and achieves annual revenues of nearly $1 billion. Let's delve into the intriguing aspects that set Northwest Natural Holding apart as a potential income-generating investment. Northwest Natural has distinguished itself by maintaining unwavering stability in the business landscape, a testament to its steadfast performance and resilience. It's noteworthy that this company has earned the prestigious distinction of being part of the esteemed group known as the Dividend Kings, highlighting its dedication to fostering growth and providing attractive rewards to its investors. If you're new to the distinguished Dividend Kings Club, I suggest taking a moment to watch the video in the upper right corner. This provides an excellent opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of the significance of this exclusive group. Northwest Natural Holding, formerly known as the Portland Gas Light Company, has undergone a fascinating transformation in the energy sector. Originating as a coal and oil provider in the Pacific Northwest, it pivoted to natural gas in the 1950s, leading to a rebrand as the Northwest Natural Gas Company in 1958. Throughout the 60s, 70s, and 80s, the company expanded its regional reach, culminating in over 300,000 residential customers by 1989. In 1997, it officially adopted the name Northwest Natural, signifying its evolution from local operations to a significant regional energy player, making it a compelling investment choice in this dynamic industry. Let's go back to January 1, 2003. On that date, the stock was trading at $27.13. In 2003, the dividend per share amounted to $1.27, resulting in a calculated dividend yield of 4.7% for the year. Now, fast forward to 2022, and the dividend per share has risen to $1.9325. Let's do the math to calculate the dividend yield based on the initial purchase price in 2003. The result is a 7.1% yield. While this yield may not seem as impressive as some other stocks we've explored, it's essential to remember that being part of the Dividend Kings Club is a significant achievement. Maintaining a stable or increasing dividend payout in the oil and gas industry can be challenging, given the volatility of product prices, which are determined by market forces. You might be wondering whether real estate could have yielded better results due to potential appreciation. However, let's reevaluate that assumption. By the end of 2022, the stock's price had risen to $48.25, up from the initial $27.13 on January 1, 2003. Now, let's calculate the return on investment based on your 2003 purchase price and compare it to the potential gains in real estate. The result is somewhat disappointing, showing only a 78% increase in 20 years. Even if we consider the record high in 2020, which was around $76, the return is 180%. As we discussed in the previous video, the estimated growth rate for a real estate investment over 20 years is typically around 120%. In this case, real estate investing appears to outperform this stock. This example offers an important insight. When a company sells a product with a volatile price, its stock price can also be volatile. Consider a company like Coca-Cola, which can set its product's price. In contrast, oil companies are at the mercy of price fluctuations. Moreover, what distinguishes one company's oil from another's? Why choose one over the other? It often boils down to price. This underscores the unique challenges faced by companies dealing in products with volatile prices. This emphasizes the critical importance of conducting thorough market research before making any investment decisions. This company boasts a rich history and holds a top position among the dividend kings due to its impressive track record of consistently raising dividends over the years. To those who haven't delved into the details, this elite club might seem highly appealing. However, a closer look reveals that their performance may not meet expectations. In today's rapidly evolving world, companies are embracing alternative sources of energy, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. These alternatives intensify competition and can impact the revenue of traditional gas companies. It's essential to exercise some caution and understanding in your investments. You don't need to become an expert, but having a reasonable level of knowledge about the companies you invest in is vital. If you prefer a hands-off approach and simply want to generate passive income while mitigating risk, diversifying your investments across a variety of companies can be a wise strategy. This way, you spread your risk and are less dependent on the performance of any single company. Diversification can provide a level of stability and security in your investment portfolio, allowing you to enjoy passive income without the need for in-depth company knowledge. Investors can expect dividend payouts on a quarterly basis, with distribution occurring in the months of January, April, July, and October. This reliable schedule guarantees a consistent stream of passive income. Notably, it's essential to acknowledge that this payment schedule differs from the previous companies. By strategically investing in companies with varying dividend payout schedules, you can construct a diversified portfolio that generates monthly passive income streams. Keep in mind that to qualify for dividends, you should invest before the ex-dividend date. For a more detailed understanding of the dividend payment process, consider watching the video located in the upper right corner. Please keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor, and my purpose is to offer information and personal insights. The decisions you make regarding your investments are entirely your own. From my perspective, industries such as gas utilities, where Northwest Natural Holding is a key player, are likely to maintain their significance in the global economy in the years ahead. However, it's essential to acknowledge that the gas utilities sector faces competition and alternative energy sources. While this company may appear to be a leader in its field, it's crucial to recognize that markets are dynamic, and success depends on a company's ability to adapt and stay competitive. When contemplating an investment in Northwest Natural Holding, it's vital to carefully assess the timing and potential within the context of the competitive landscape. Diversifying your investment portfolio remains a crucial strategy in your financial journey. For a more comprehensive insight into this, I encourage you to watch the video located in the upper right corner. It can provide you with valuable information to make informed investment decisions. If the concept of generating a dependable stream of passive income intrigues you, I recommend delving into the course available through the link in the video's description below. Furthermore, this channel provides an extensive library of course-related videos. By simply watching this playlist, you can take the next step towards securing your financial freedom. To stay updated and continue your learning journey, click the subscribe button now.